In today's increasingly competitive global market, manufacturers of industrial machineries or heavy equipment face a daunting development challenges. There is a need to accelerate their product time to market and control cost and improve their product complexities. This requires that you need to modernize your product development systems and implement 3D based development design technologies. With SolidWorks 3D CAD softwares, engineers can compress their design cycle times and cut the development cost. 3D models are easier to visualize and understand than the 2D drawings. Having the ability to shade and rotate a model in a 3D space provides a much more complete and a natural way to view the designs for engineers as well as managers and manufacturing guys and customers. It is about as close as you can get holding the real part in your hand. Makers of industrial machineries and heavy equipment manufacturers face many different challenges today, but SolidWorks helps you to overcome these challenges with ease. Creating a 3D model is easy with intuitive SolidWorks heads-up user interface that is called as a Swift. With the Swift, like having an expert consultant designing at your side, the techniques that can take the users many months to learn in other CAD systems are built in Swift. So a new users can learn quickly, and for expert users, Swift speeds up the designs by automating the tedious and repetitive tasks. In SolidWorks, you can create a drawings by just clicking to set up the desired views. Even the section views, detail views, and the alternate position views can be easily created. The associativity of the SolidWorks software ensures that your BOM will always be up to date and with the current state of your design. The fastest way to design a new machine is to reuse and tweak an existing design. SolidWorks provides the capability to automatically create and store numerous configurations of the same designs. So when you modify your designs, all the existing drawings and the necessary drawings are instantly complete and are ready to print. The most important thing in SolidWorks is that designers can take full advantage of SolidWorks built-in libraries, as they can access standard parts and leverage SolidWorks smart component functionalities that can be automatically integrated in the appropriate parts and assemblies and make them align them in a proper sequence, ensuring that your designs conform with the industry and company standards. Managing engineering data will always be challenges for any equipment manufacturing company. To overcome these challenges, SolidWorks and Enterprise PDM enables you to set up your own product development workflows and keep all your team members in sync and connected, even if they are spread across multiple locations. Cost estimation plays a major role for any industrial equipment manufacturers. SolidWorks costing tool helps you designers to make decisions based on the costing of manufacture and helps manufacturers create those quotes for the customers instantly. Not only that, whenever a user makes a change in designs, designers can see the new updated cost immediately along with the detailed cost breakdowns. Costing tool helps eliminate the errors and provides accurate, repeatable quoting systems that you can update whenever labor cost needs revisions. ACAD and MCAD integration always face multiple challenges in the present industries. With SolidWorks Electrical helps you to streamline the designs of industrial equipment with automated design tasks for routing tubes, pipes, electrical cables, and harnesses. SolidWorks Electrical also simplifies the design development with libraries for specially routed system fittings and harnessing the documentations, and it helps you to even create the drag and drop components as well. Design failures would be a major cause for costly design changes and subsequent production delays. With SolidWorks motion and simulation capabilities, industrial equipment manufacturers can minimize the need for the physical prototypes and create more accurate and reliable and innovative products. device behavior will be within the design limits, reliable, and avoid any thermal stress-induced failures. Documentation plays a major role for promoting your products, and SolidWorks Composer, the technical communication software that encourages clarity by enabling designers, shop floor guys, sales and marketing department to easily create and deliver 2D and 3D graphical content from an existing 3D CAD data. Even the non-technical users can easily present and explain and processes by quickly repurposing the CAD content for technical product communication while updating it automatically as the design changes occurs. Powerful automation tool of SolidWorks DriveWorks Express makes sure that your repetitive tasks are completely eliminated, and by capturing all the valuable design rules inside SolidWorks. This automatically generates assemblies, drawings, and models with sophisticated platform configurability that you can configure your work for higher degrees of product customization in an environment that facilitates the reuse of standardization of designs. Taking your designs to the next level. With all these designs, you can also align with your manufacturing and quality teams, making it one-stop solution for industrial equipments. For more information and a detailed demo on industrial equipments on SolidWorks, kindly contact us.